What are the steps to dissolve an LLC? Imagine you've built a business and now it's time to close that chapter. Dissolving a limited liability company is a process that needs to be done carefully to avoid future issues. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen smoothly. First, you need to make a formal decision to dissolve the LLC. If you are the sole owner, this is straightforward. If there are multiple members, they must vote to agree on ending the business, following the rules in your operating agreement. If your agreement doesn't specify, state laws will guide the process. Once the decision is made, it's important to notify any creditors your LLC owes money to. Send them official notices explaining the closure and how they can submit claims. Usually, creditors have between 90 and 180 days to file their claims, depending on your state. Next, you need to settle all debts and financial obligations. Pay off any outstanding bills, loans, or taxes to avoid future liability. After debts are cleared, you must file official paperwork called Articles of Dissolution with the Secretary of State or the relevant state agency where your LLC was registered. This document officially ends your LLC's legal existence. Filing fees vary by state but are generally between $50 and $100. You can often file online, by mail, or in person. Once the state approves your dissolution, it's time to wind up the business. This involves liquidating assets, paying remaining bills, and distributing any leftover assets to members based on their ownership shares or as outlined in your operating agreement. Remember to cancel all business licenses and permits to prevent ongoing fees or penalties. Don't forget to file your final tax returns with federal, state, and local authorities. Mark these returns as final and pay any remaining taxes owed. If your LLC had employees, you must also submit final payroll reports and close your employer identification number account with the Internal Revenue Service. If your LLC operated in other states, you will need to file withdrawal or cancellation documents there too. This helps avoid future tax or legal issues. Following these steps ensures your LLC closes properly and legally, protecting you from future liability. The process can vary slightly depending on your state's rules and your LLC's operating agreement, so it's always good to check local laws or consult a legal professional.